Now you two listen up very carefully. Which one of y'all decided to eat my leftover pizza without conferring with me first? It was Donald. I swear it's Donald, Goofy. It was Donald. I swear. That's what I'm saying. I swear. Excuse me. It was you, Donald. Don't argue with me. Yes, it was Donald. Shut your mouth, Donald. It was you.
No, it was you, big boy. Stop playing. Now you shut up.
I have an idea. What in the world just happened in here?
I'll tell you what happened. This is my house. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh. Says you little dog.
Oh, you're next, you little mouse.
Lizard? Goji. Don't you ever try to hit me with that belt! Goji!
3 hours later.
Hello, everybody. It is I, Grover.
Well, before we sing a song, I just want to say, Joy has all the answers she want to give us. And now,
And today, we're going to sing a song for you.
Hit it, CookieMonster. 1, 2, and no.
1, 2, 3, 4. If you're happy and you know it.
Do you think I have all the answers? Of course I don't!
5 hours later, everyone.
What the fuck did you say?
You better watch your mouth.
Let's talk about this. Shut the hell up. You motherfucker.
Hey, who do you think you're talking to? You want to hit Donald Duck, you stupid dog? Later.
All right, hello everybody. Welcome back. Oh, Mickey Mouse. What? Bring it on, please.
Moments later.
Mickey Mouse and Goofy and Donald Duck and Grover and Big Bird are arguing about Minnie Mouse.
This happened.
Mickey Mouse, what did you do? Mickey Mouse?
What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
Mickey Mouse, what did you say about Minnie? I said Minnie Mouse is a bitch.
Mickey Mouse, you had to deal with Minnie Mouse. I do not like her, haha.
Do you know how much Jack is going to tell you?
And he's not gonna like you?
Hey! What is going on?
What's going on with this argument? Everyone was talking about Minnie Mouse. But Donald didn't say it, Big Bird didn't say it, I didn't say it, Goofy didn't say it. Alright, then...
Who did this? Oh, that was Jack.
Mickey Mouse.
Don't call me a bitch. That was Donald. Well, you were stupid. Bitch, it was not me, motherfucker. Oh, baby, if it wasn't Donald, it was probably Goofy.
Or maybe it was Grover or someone else who did.
That was Big Bird.
Minnie
Jack,
Mouse.
I swear to God, it was Big Bird. Yep.
What? No, I didn't.
Minnie Mouse?
Jack, it was Grover, I swear.
Oh, excuse me, Big Boy. It was you. Don't you dare lie to me.
No, it was you. Shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you
Can they
know
call
how to
Minnie
drive?
names?
No, you don't.
Or Minnie Mouse had to call you her names? No, you don't. I don't call Minnie Mouse names. I call her pretty because Minnie Mouse, she had a lot of exceptions because she had to divorce Mickey Mouse to do the dishes. Like, yeah, she also do that for her life. Well, excuse me, Big Bird. Who told Mickey Mouse to do the dishes? It was probably Minnie Mouse. She was really good at telling Mickey Mouse to divorce. Oh, I'm sorry. Did they told you how to divorce Mickey Mouse? No, you don't.
No, it was you, Big Bird. Stop it. You shut up.
Minnie Mouse, what is going on here?
You're about to find out, lizard!
Meat, Mouse! Double.
Moments later, this happened.
Well, where the hell is my rent, you freaking duck?
I'm sorry, Mickey Mouse, but I don't have one.
Oh, you don't have my rent? Well, you better, because I'm about to put you in your place, pal.
Well, you're not supposed to be Mickey Mouse. I don't have my rights. I'm sorry, I won't pay you next week, Mickey Mouse. Okay? Gosh.
No! You're gonna give me my rent right now, whether you like it or not. You understand me, pal?
I want to charge you. I don't have it, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you don't have it?
What are you doing?
Double.
3 hours later.
Bala, hey, Goofy, do you have your rent, pal?
What are you talking about, Mickey Mouse? I don't pay rent.
Well, guess what, Goofy? Starting today, you're gonna pay rent every single month, pal, and you're gonna pay me $1,000 a month. So you better pay up right now, Goofy, or I'm kicking.
$1,000? Oh, hell no, Mickey Mouse. I ain't paying you that stupid freaking amount. You can kiss my right mirror, man. Oh,
Then you can get out of my freaking house with that kind of attitude, man. Cause guess what? You're gonna pay me whether you like it or not, you scumbag.
guess what? You're gonna make me, you rat.
Oh, I'll make you get out of here, pal.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, Goofy, I'm sorry.
Apology accepted. Don't you ever try to kick me out of this house, and you're gonna pay me rent. You understand me?
That's not how it works.
Goofy, I kind of hit you in the face, huh?
Oh, no.
What in the world is going on here?
Oh, my God.
Listen here, man. This has nothing to do with you, motherfucker. So leave it out of here, man. Oh, yeah. I gotta deal with a personal matter here.
What did you just say to me?
you so much, babe.
Shut your mouth! 5 hours later...
Robert, you know, I've asked you this like so many...
Oh my God,
Joy.
if you ask me one more time, I'm gonna beat the shit
Crap out of you.
next Tuesday.
Well, can I at least borrow $40?
Fucking God, can you ask someone else?
Why?
Well, it's because I stole
Bring...
your $40 to get some cigarettes and lots of cocaine. Now, wait! Oh no, no! No, wait, don't get the bell!
Triple!
Moments later, this happened.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Shut up, you son of a bitch! Alright then, now what the hell got you excited? Cause last time you were excited, you met me. So what the hell happened? Oh my God, Goofy! We get to go to Disney World, pal! Oh boy!
Oh my God, everybody! I was rich by lottery tickets! I think I'm gonna be rich!
Joy, you're excited than Mickey Mouse. You need to chill your butt down, man.
Mom said I got myself some lottery tickets! I'm gonna be rich! I'm gonna be freaking rich!
Oh, you got lottery tickets?
Yes, and we're all gonna have a great time over there. We're gonna go to the Dragon's Buffet, or we're gonna have some food and some drinks, and then we're gonna have some great desserts and have some great times together.
Oh, good job, Joy. And for you, Mickey, for you...
Hey, Mickey, guess what? What?
For you...
This is why Clarabelle left you, Goofy!
What?
What the hell's that supposed to mean? Did you sleep with my wife? Yeah, I did. You son of a...
What?
What the fuck did you say? What did you say?
Hey, guys. Goofy, what is going on in here?
I'll tell you what happened. This is my house. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh. Oh, who's house? Triple!
3 hours later.
Bala, hey, Goofy, do you have your rent, pal? What are you talking about,
Mickey Mouse? I don't pay rent.
Well, guess what, Goofy? Starting today, you're gonna pay rent every single month, pal, and you're gonna pay me $1,000 a month. So you better pay up right now, Goofy, or I'm kicking off
$1,000? Oh, hell no. Mickey Mouse, you are not. No, you kiss my tail out of here. And it's Godzilla, not Goofy. It's not my name anyway.
You can get out of my freaking house with that kind of attitude, man. Because guess what? You're going to pay me whether you like it or not, you scumbag. Guess what? You're going to
pay me. You ain't rat. I'm not paying anyone rent. Now, you better watch who you're talking to right now, you little rat. Or there's going to be a problem right now. And I swear to God, if you do that again, well, there's going to be some serious problem here.
Oh, I'll make you get out of here, pal.
Apology accepted! I told you ever about kicking me out of this house to pay you rent. Do you understand me? And I mean it, you little rat! Now shut up and get your own rat, you stupid rat! 10
Hours later.
As punishment and execution, you're gonna die with
Joy!
for what you did to my friend Zoe. So, have a nice life. No! 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 Please, open the fucking door! Please, it wasn't me! Please, I didn't do anything! I didn't kill Zoe! I didn't date with Zoe! I didn't never do anything with Zoe! Please, just open the door! Let me out!
Hi, Jack. Looks like he was about to get punched into it. Looks like I'll beat you up with this bat myself with this.
Joy!
Hi, Jack.